Hi, I'm Naz Joshi. I'm three-time Miss World Diversity and I'm only the one international trans beauty queen of India. I'm Miss Trans Queen India 2018 classic category winner, and I do a lot of work for transgender community in my country. Not just that, I'm working on women empowerment and I'm trying to bridge the gap between genders. I represented Miss Trans Queen India at Miss World Diversity, where all the were women participating. There were no transsexual, so I was the only trans girl participating there. So it was a big challenge for me, but with a lot of support from my country people, from the media, from everyone, with love, I was able to win out there.